Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Goodnotes for note taking. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to be using is a web version. So from here I'm going to go to web.goodnotes.com. Make sure to sign in or create an account. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. It's either going to have a new tab here or a new tab here, depending if you already got documents. I've already got one saved document here. So Goodnotes is a versatile digital note-taking app that combines the flexibility of handwriting with the convenience of digital tools. So I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of how to effectively use Goodnotes for your note-taking needs. Alright, from here I'm going to go ahead and click on New, and then I'm going to click on Notebook. And now go ahead and choose a template that suits your needs. For example, if you want to use blank, dot of paper, ruled narrow, choose whichever. I'm going to use a ruled narrow and click on Create Notebook. And now once we're here, we've got all these different tools at the top. So let's go through them. So the pen tool, this is good for freehand writing or drawing. We've got the highlighter to emphasize text or areas. We've got the eraser to remove unwanted marks. We've got the lasso tool to select and move elements. And we've also got the shape tool to insert geometric shapes. We can also go ahead and add images here too by clicking on images and double clicking it. Click on insert an image. So insert an image from your files inside your computer. And we've also got the text button here, so we can add text as well. So if I'm just going to type in test, and we can make this bigger or smaller, and we can also make it bold. Also, we can combine typed and handwritten notes seamlessly. So if I use the pen, I'm going to change the thing. So I'm just going to draw something like so. And then if we want to highlight anything, we're going to click on the highlighter. And we've got different options here. We can make it small, medium, large. We can change the color. And then once we're happy with that, we can highlight anything on our notebook. And now once you're done with your GoodNote, come up the top and we can go ahead and share it if we like. So enable that, but you might need a premium plan or be on the most basic plan to share this link. We can also export this GoodNote as a PDF